My name is Theo Justin Regalo Pamito on in the swimming pool with my coach John. I will go there with the flat with the flaticate with the board
25 meters.
25 meters to the 4 feet to the 5 feet to other 4 feet.
Yeah, you start.
This is how you do it.
Yeah. I get the stone. One stone. Get stone. Here, this one. This one. Put. Okay.
3 left.
Okay. Get ready. And go. Flutter kick without with board. "25-meter swim with board." 17 years old. Nasa ikon gamay. Mild. So, therapy gihapon. So, 25 meters therapy. Bola na ka unsay therapy. Walay na kayo. Oh, good job. Good job. Good right. Good job.
Yeah. Made it.
Yeah. Do.
Non-stop.
Okay, you non-stop. Then bubbles.
Alright. I'm coming back.
Yes, coming. Oh, 25. Of course. Bubbles 10. Good, Bubbles 10. Lipayan niya eh. So therapy ni siya kaya mild autism yata ni. So normal siya, dili siya kuan pero malagi therapy. Basta. Get ready. Justin, get ready. Okay, go. 25 meters. Oh, good. So, wala na ako naghumol kay balo naman siya. Dati mahadlok ni. 4 feet mahadlok. Ang height ni nasa 6 footer. 6 flat. 17 years old. Basketball figure. Tas kay tiin, tas kamot. Di pa ni mabot ron. Good job, look under. Yes, you made it. High five. High five.
Yeah.
Tell the camera.
I made it.
Yeah, 25 meters. 50 meters, right?
Yeah.
How many stones do you have? One, you count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So 25 meters times 8. Meron pa dalawa.
2 left.
2 left. Okay, mababas mo.